350 US dollars per day with ClickBank affiliate marketing. Now the reason I'm showing you in this short video 350 US dollars in this video is because I wanted to see what it's like to get this every single day as a beginner. Now if you're making that, you're also making over 10,000 US dollars per month, which is really great if you're working 20 to 30 minutes per day to make $350 per day. Of course you can make more, but just for purpose of this video, making 10,000 US dollars profit per month with affiliate marketing is possible in 2025, as long as you understand that people are buying products every single day. You don't have to believe me. Tell me when I'm telling lies. Tell me in the comments, because if you go on Google right now, you can see e-commerce, online shopping, online marketing is going up, especially after COVID-19. Everything is going up in online e-commerce. So people are buying stuff online. Either you are making profit or your neighbor or someone else is making profit from online marketing, right? Digital marketing, affiliate marketing, whatever you want to call it. It's promoting other people's product with faceless channels without showing your face. It's nothing new. 50 years ago, it was infomercials in 80s, 90s, right? On TV, radio, newspaper, magazines. Now it's just TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, LinkedIn, right? Twitter, whatever channel you pick, you can make money with that traffic source. Now, the most important thing, my friend, in 2025, if you want to make money with affiliate marketing without showing your face, spending 20 to 30 minutes per day, is this: to understand that in 2025, people love to buy, but they hate being sold to. Everyone is tired of these Facebook ads. That's why TikTok is very popular. Why? Why TikTok is #1 for me right now. Also Facebook and Google is great, but why TikTok? Because if you see what is happening on TikTok in 2025, TikTok shop, people love to buy live shopping. Not only in China, also in US, Australia, Europe, Australia, right? People are buying online because it's natural, it feels natural, right? And they will watch videos, because if you understand, we have high emotional states and low emotional states audiences, right? Females and males. So copywriting, ad copy has to be different. Now, if you're wondering, oh my God, do I have to spend a lot of money on ads? The answer is no. You can start with 5 to 10 US dollars per day. In fact, I would suggest you, if you're watching this video, to start slow, because even though I'm spending 5 figures per month on ads, and I'm making 4 times, 5 times, even 7 times back of that in many cases with all the upsell take rate, right? Usually someone is going to buy. Like just look at your own behavior, buying behavior. You go to shopping mall in your country, right? You're going to spend on groceries, I don't know, $50, $30, $100, $300. I don't know where you live, California, New York, right? You're going to spend money. You go to Starbucks, $10, $30 in a day for coffee. If you're drinking like me 3 to 5 times per day of coffee, right? So that's why ClickBank low ticket cheap products work really, really well. Tiny cheap products, right? Because people don't think, okay, they just spent $30, they spent $100, they spent $75. They will do it anyway. They buy alcohol, cigarette, or whatever, right? People are buying stuff. So it's normal, it's natural and easier online, especially digital products or weight loss products or back pain or a hobby niche, right? Or parenting niche. There is so many niches that you can make great money. I'm not talking about millions of dollars per year. No, I'm talking about 10 to 30,000 US dollars per month. It's doable. If you go step by step, and if you have someone, once you have someone who can help you one-on-one, step by step, hand holding you, because that's the best way I learned. I paid someone to coach me, to mentor me, to show me exactly over the Zoom call, okay, how this is done. Let's go step by step. Let's create an ad campaign. And I was spending 30 minutes per day doing it. So yes, it's doable, it's possible, but only if you're serious. If you really want to take action, and if you really want to get these kind of results. It's not a lot of money, right? But $10,000 is also over 120,000 US dollars per year. Maybe you can take your parents on vacation, right? It's not about nice cars. Okay, maybe you want to buy a new house or car. Great, but maybe you want to help your parents. Maybe you want to take your spouse to vacation. Maybe you want to help your kids, right? Maybe you want to spend more time with your family. That's my dream. That's what I do. And if you're serious, and whatever country you're watching from, if you're serious you're action taker, you don't make excuses, you don't procrastinate, and if you have some money to invest in yourself to get this up and running, then this is something for you. So below this video is going to be my WhatsApp number. Yes, I know many gurus don't even give you their personal phone numbers. I'm giving you my personal cell phone number on WhatsApp. I'm giving you email. I'm giving you my Instagram. I travel to over 65 countries thanks to be doing affiliate marketing, being super affiliate. You can see my photos. I'm always sharing. I travel to many different countries, 65 as of now, and also helping other people do the same. So if you want to have results, let me know after subscribing to my YouTube channel for more helpful tips.